welcome to our TLE class 10. So today we're going to make a review on your second midterm. So hope you pay attention. All right. The coverage for your exam or midterm exam will be preparing and presenting PD4s, preparing and presenting desserts, preparing and presenting fruits, vegetable, eggs, and starch dishes, preparing and cooking poultry. Test type. Task 1 will be identification, 5 items. Task 2 will be selection. You're going to select some correct answer in the box. So that's 7 items. Third or task 3 will be true or false, 5 items. Task 4 will be multiple choice, 7 items. Task 5 will be enumeration, 10 items. Task 6 will be essay, 6 items. The total items will be 40 items. All right, word recall. So for this portion, you're going to need your big notebook and pen. Write your answers in your big notebook. Answers only. Now answer the question before the timer ends in each item. You may pause the video if you want to. Honestly, check your answer or mark it wrong if it is incorrect. Then count the number of checks and comment your name section and score in the comment section in the YouTube video. Note, God is watching us from the distance, so honesty is the best policy. Alright, so number 1. These are dried noodles with various flavoring. Again, these are dried noodles with various flavoring. That is instant noodle. Is a healthy food made from whole, low-fat or skim milk. Again, is a healthy food made from whole, low-fat or skim milk. Yogurt. Number 3. Newly harvested fruits and vegetables produced, sold in market should be almost sour smelling. This is true or false? Newly harvested fruits and vegetables produced, sold in the market should be almost sour smelling. The answer is false. What is the batter ratio of pancake and waffle? Again, number 4. What is the batter ratio of pancake and waffle? The correct answer is 1:1. That is poor batter. 5. Is a male chicken under 10 months old, tough, dark flesh, hard breastbone, cartilages, and coarse skin. Again, is a male chicken under 10 months old, tough, dark, flesh, hard breastbone, cartilages, and coarse skin. The answer is stack. Number 6. Part of the uses of eggs in culinary, wherein this is used in wine making. Again, part of the uses of eggs in culinary, wherein this is used in wine making. The answer is clarifying. 7. Desserts are predominantly sweet. What is the main ingredient in or of desserts? Again, desserts are predominantly sweet in flavor. What is the main ingredient of desserts? The answer is sugar. 8. They are made of soft dough, leavened with yeast and baking powder, mixed with milk, sugar, and shortening. Again, they are made of soft dough, leavened with yeast and baking powder, mixed with milk, sugar, and shortening. The answer is donuts. 9. Is a type of dessert that is sharp to the taste, sour or acid. Again, it is a type of dessert that is sharp to the taste, sour or acid. The answer is tart. 10. True or false? Meringue and crepes are called universal and popular desserts as it is very sweet. Again, meringue and crepes are called universal and popular desserts as it is very sweet. The correct answer is fruits. 11. Are small cakes which contains high portion of eggs, sugar, and oil. Again, are small cakes which contains high portion of eggs, sugar, and oil. The correct answer is muffin. 12. Blank is a type of dessert that consists of sugar, milk, and a thickening agent. Again, blank is a type of desserts that consists of sugar, milk, and a thickening agent. The correct answer is pudding. 13. Are tender and made of thickened mixture of milk, egg, and sugar molded in flan molders and steamed in baked. Again, are tender and made of thickened mixture of milk, sugar, and egg molded in flan molders and steamed or baked. The answer is custard. 14. The English term of PD4. Again, the English term of PD4s. The answer is small oven. 15. Long, thin, round, translucent noodles. Again, it is a long, thin, round, translucent noodle. The answer is sotanghon. Number 16. Blank is a poultry preparation technique, which means to remove the bones of the chicken. Again, blank is a poultry preparation technique, which means to remove the bones of the chicken. The answer is the boning. 17. Blank is the ideal space for each PD force, allowing how many inches from each other to make it more presentable in the display. Blank is the ideal space for each PD force, allowing how many inches from each other to make it more presentable in the display. The correct answer is 2 inches. 18. Our confectionery basically made of ground almonds, confectioner's sugar, and water. Again, our confectionery basically made of ground almonds, confectioner's sugar, and water. The answer is marzipan. 19. There is no section in a buffet layout that is called a buffet dessert station. This is true or false? There is no section in a buffet layout that is called a buffet dessert section. The answer is false. 20. Part of the uses of eggs in culinary, wherein this is a process in incorporating air in a mixture as in scrambled egg. This is part of the uses of eggs in culinary, wherein this is the process of incorporating air in the mixture as in scrambled egg. The answer is aerated. 21. The term glaze means, again. 21. The term glaze means. Iced. 22. Below are the proper goal or objective in cooking of starchy products, except to avoid liquefaction, to avoid lumping, to avoid scorching, or to avoid starch flavor. Again, below are the proper goal or objective in cooking of starchy products, except to avoid liquefaction, to avoid lumping, to avoid scorching, and to avoid starch flavor. Which one? Exactly. The answer is to avoid liquefaction. 23. Are those found in parts of fowl's body which are always used? Again, are those found in parts of fowl's body which are always used? The answer is dark muscles. 24. A part of the physical structure and composition of eggs wherein these areas is the empty space between the white and the shell at the large end of the egg. Again, a part of the physical structure and composition of eggs wherein this area is the empty space between the white and the shell at the large end of the egg. The answer is air cell. And we're finished with the review. The total score is 24. And please study the following for the test 5 and test 6. The importance of starch in dishes, importance of fruits and vegetable in diet, function of starch, egg, fruits and vegetable, and the market form of poultry. Well, God bless and have a nice day.